Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Wired blank windows appear randomly on Windows 11. So startup app, schedule tasks, background program, browser update, okay, anything. Click to start, type task manager, right click to run as administrator. After that full screen, then click on these three lines to startup app. Okay, in this startup, which app is not required for your system when you start up your system, means if you want to these applications you can open this manually, not automatic. Okay, so this is automatic, that's why. Okay, so Asus mouse agenda, this is not required for the startup. When you want to, you can open it. Okay, Copilot, Microsoft Team also. If you are using Microsoft Team auto mode, someone's calling you on the team and your office, and so you can enable it. Microsoft Edge also. Phone link same, if you need you can. Okay, so Xbox also. Okay, so here you can see Firefox, so you can also disable it. Chrome also it, because of this is not required, and then close it. Then next, and very important, run repair windows command. Okay, so click to start, type cmd and right click to run as administrator, then type this command I will give in descriptions. Okay, and then hit enter. After that it will start the percentage. When it is completed first command, then try to second it. Okay, so it will take some time, depend about your system configurations, but might be 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, then like this is started, and when it is completed 100%, then try second one. So second one is sfc space slash scan now, and then hit enter. After that it will start the percentage, same thing. Okay, then which is completed this one, then restart your system and then please check it. Thank you. And you are getting any issues related, any issue, so you can fill out the Google form, and we will create video and then share with you. Thank you.